welcome back to my channel and wishing all of you a very happy new year, guys. But let's all be safe because new year and new COVID variant. So yeah, which is making our lives hell. So yeah, I had a good break. Technically, I'm still on a break because I'm in my hometown right now. But yeah, while I was away, a plethora of new trailers dropped, huh? Plethora of trailers dropped. So today I'm sitting down and I'm going to be reacting to all the trailers one by one. I read your comments also. So I have like the videos open in front of me. So I'm just going to go in sequence, but I will post all of it as like separate videos, obviously, so viewers are not confused. So there's this trailer of let me just read out the list out the films, okay, of the trailers. Now, one is Naradhan official trailer, which stars Tovino. Then you have Salute, which stars Dulquer. Then Bro Daddy teaser has dropped, okay, with Mohanlal, Prithviraj Sukumaran. Then you have a glimpse of Liger, okay, so that's another very anticipated film. Then you have another trailer that dropped, Valimai official trailer. My god, so many trailers are there. Then you have Puru. Now these are the trailers that I'm going to be reacting to right now, okay, like one by one, and I'll post obviously everything as separate videos. I know there are a couple of songs also, movie songs, and they say hip hop songs that I generally react to. So yeah, a lot of those are there as well. But right now I'm sitting down for the trailer reaction. So yeah, one by one. I know Kalakachi final part has also come out. So that when the recommendation came in, it's like a 45-minute video. So I'll not shoot that today. I'll record that video tomorrow. So yeah, because I wanna just watch all the trailers first. So yes, everything, like, yeah, I'll catch up with everything, guys. I'll catch up with everything. But do let me know what you guys did in New Year's Eve. And yeah, any resolutions if you made, definitely let me know in the comments. So yes, in this video right now, I'm going to be reacting to Naradhan official trailer, which stars Tovino Thomas, and this is directed by Ashik Abu. So yeah, let's just watch it right away. I watched Minnal Mulri thrice.
ഇത് അമേരിക്കയോ യൂറോപ്പോ അല്ല, ഇത് ഭാരതമാണ്.
ഓ,
നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ സൈലൻസ് അല്ല എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട ആൻസർ. ഇന്ന് 7:30 മണിക്ക് അവരുടെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ബ്രേക്കിംഗ് ഇന്റർവ്യൂ ഏറെയും. ഇത് വാർത്തയുടെ എത്തിക്സ് ഒന്നും നോക്കണ്ട, ഇത് നിലനിൽപ്പിന്റെ പ്രശ്നമാണ്. എന്താണ് സാർ ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ന്യൂസ് ട്രാക്ക് ഡിസ്കഷൻ?
നമസ്കാരം, ന്യൂസ് ട്രാക്കിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. തലസ്ഥാന നഗരിയിൽ മാവോയിസ്റ്റ് സാന്നിധ്യം, സുരക്ഷാ വീഴ്ചയെന്ന് പ്രതിപക്ഷം.
കാശി മുടക്കിയവർക്ക് ലാഭമാ വേണ്ടത്. അയാളുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് ഞാനാണെങ്കിലും ഇതേ പറയത്തുള്ളൂ.
ഇന്നത്തെ TV വാർത്തയാണ് നാളത്തെ പത്രം. ഇത് ബെഡ് ജേർണലിസത്തിന്റെ കാലമാണ്. ആരോപണം ആദ്യം, വിശദീകരണം രണ്ടാമത്.
അതെ, ഈ കൊന്തയെല്ലാം നാക്കൊണ്ട് തന്തയ്ക്ക് വിളിപ്പിക്കരുത്.
തനിക്കൊരു ധാരണ ഉണ്ടാവും, താനാണ് ഈ ചാനലിന്റെ മമ്മൂട്ടി മോഹൻലാൽ.
ചന്ദ്രപ്രകാശോ, നിന്റെ പ്രകാശമൊക്കെ പോയല്ലോ.
ചന്ദ്രപ്രകാശിനെ അങ്ങനെ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റിമേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. നിന്നെ ആ കുറിപ്പെടുത്ത് പൊരിച്ചെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് ശരിയാണ്.
രണ്ട് കിട്ടില്ല സ്റ്റോറി കിട്ടിയാൽ നമ്മൾ രക്ഷപ്പെടും.
സാറേ, സ്റ്റോറി കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ റിപ്പോർട്ടർമാർക്ക് ശമ്പളം കൊടുക്കും.
നിനക്ക് ശമ്പളം തരുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച്
വണ്ടിക്ക് പെട്രോൾ അടിച്ചു കൊടുക്കും.
കൈയിടാൻ
കോപ്പേതാന്ന് അറിയാൻ പാടാത്ത ചാനൽ കൊടുക്കാൻ എങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കും?
ഒരു തള്ളയത്തുനിന്ന് ന്യൂസ് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ മറ്റവന്മാര് തന്തയത്തുനിന്ന് ന്യൂസ് കൊടുക്കും.
I want dirt.
ചന്ദ്രപ്രകാശ് അല്ലെങ്കിലും അവനൊന്നും ഒരു എത്തിക്സും ഇല്ലല്ലോ.
നമ്മളൊക്കെ എത്തിക്സ് വിടാതെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
സത്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കും.
എന്നാ ഞാനൊരു കാര്യം പറയട്ടെ, സംഭവം സത്യമാണ്, 50% സത്യമാണ്.
തൽക്കാലം താൻ ഈ ഷോ ഒന്ന് പോസ്റ്റ്പോൺ ചെയ്യും.
നോ, എനിക്ക് അവന്റെ വീടിന്റെ മുറ്റത്തിട്ട് എന്റെ ഷോ ചെയ്യണം.
ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടോ?
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, പ്രൊവോക്കിംഗ്.
Oh, love this line. Every human a headline.
MT വാസുദേവൻ നായർ, KG ശങ്കരപ്പിള്ള, P ഗോവിന്ദപിള്ള, MP നാരായണപിള്ള, തകഴി ശിവശങ്കരപിള്ള. മനസ്സിലായോ?
അതെ, നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് കാര്യത്തിന്റെ കാര്യം പറയുന്നത്?
Wow. we don't know what's going to happen with the release now, considering like theaters getting shut and all. RRR release got postponed, then Radhesham also I think has been postponed. So yeah, Jersey did not release, so on 31st. Very intriguing trailer, and this is going to be even more hard hitting because I mean, yeah, every human is a headline. Like how news nowadays is, like a business. It's like allegations first and then the truth next. You have to first make the allegation because that is sensational. What is happening to me? Sensationalizing the news basically. Wow, there's so many layers to it, and if done well, like because I just don't want, and I hope that the story overall does not touch on the surface level, like how news outlets work and stuff like that, because we have seen similar stories where you have to make the story look larger than life. You have to run that story again and again. Then the breaking news, how media outlets are fighting for the news. Recently a film we saw, right, it was inspired from a Korean film, Dhamaka, which released in Netflix. That was a pretty decent film. I enjoyed it, and it really showed like how just because you want that news bite to be exclusively shared in your channel, to what lengths that a person can go. This is not, of course, this is a different, that Dhamaka was like a full, just a single sort of day storyline, but this is more like, you see an evolution that happens in Tovino Thomas's character. That's what I'm getting from the trailer, is that Tovino probably starts as a journalist who is very, very driven, who wants to do something, who wants to bring about a change. Because journalism is, in its truest sense, I feel journalism actually is one of the best professions. If just looking at the professionals, professional description of what a journalist is, I mean, imagine the kind of power a journalist can have to, give out the truth to the general public, and it's a very, very difficult job to do. It's a very, no job in this world is easy, but I'm just saying, just going out in the field and uncovering the truth, the actual story. So it's you have that power, but it comes with a lot of responsibility also. So I think Tovino's character is very driven throughout, but initially the drive is to do something better for the society. But as he rises up the ladder, what I feel is that his name is Chandrasekharan, right, in this film. So as he rises up the ladder, he tastes success, and he understands the business basically. It's not just a job, it's a business. And that's when you see like a shift into his character, his personality, where, I mean, and you see that at the end probably he's left with the question that, like the final choice maybe, that what are you going to go with? Maybe in his own channel, probably he has a fallout from the channel that he was already working, Newstrack, right? And then he starts his own channel probably, and then he's posed with a question that either you show the truth or you gain profit. Well, maybe that is the moment of decision that he needs to take for his channel. Oh, that would be very, very interesting. And treatment wise, I feel, looking at the trailer, the feel, how it has been cut with the background score that has been used here, it looks like a thriller. The treatment of this film has been given as a thriller. So, and then you see Anna Ben's character over there telling someone, provoke him and all. So I hope they show both the sides. I mean, because like, I just hope they don't show all the negative sides of how a news channel runs. Maybe there are some like, in the end probably you have to give some hope. Let's see. I am pretty sure that 27th of Jan, the way the things are right now, the cases rising exponentially on a daily basis, I think the release might get pushed back. So we'll see. Already the news will come out, but overall it looks very, very sensational, and it looks very gripping. I hope from the trailer, I feel that it's going to be extremely fast-paced film, which I expect. Because if you're giving this film like a thriller kind of treatment, I expect that. So yeah, good luck to the team of this film. I personally enjoyed the trailer, and this is something so different after Minnal Murali. Yeah, I am totally fumbling. I think this is like the nth time I have mispronounced the name of, Minnal Murali. Yeah, I can't help it. So I'm also human, I'm not a robot. So yes, I think after the variety of roles and with the banger of a film that he ended with 2020 with, this seems like a great start. So final judgments, of course, reserved till the film releases. And yeah, with that, this is starting the trailer reaction spree right now. So this is the first trailer of the day that I am, sitting down to react to. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. So this is a good start. Let's see how the other trailers and the glimpses, the first look and everything are. So with that, I will end this video here. Sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you think it has all the commercial tropes? I'm okay with that. Honestly, I'm okay with that as long as the execution is done well. Like I said, I hope they show something positive also. It's not just negative. Let's see. So yes, that was the reaction, and those were my thoughts. And I hope you guys have come till the end and have enjoyed this reaction video. And I will sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.